Hey, so I just thought I'd share some more of my bathroom ideas for helping the planet. So first off, bamboo toothbrushes. I have only used this brand here, Wowie, and I really like them. The bristles haven't broken off in my mouth or anything. You can tell when it's time for a new toothbrush, which is definitely right now. And I also keep my toothbrush in one of my 5-ish or 6 coffee cups that I bought when I first moved back to Phnom Penh. Next door to that, I keep my Invisalign retainers in a cup, looking good. And this here was an idea that I had before I went traveling to Laos for Christmas. So I didn't want to travel with this giant tube because it's huge. So I just put a little bit inside of one of these takeaway containers that I had gotten previously. And I also did the same with my conditioner because most times hotels might have shampoo, but not conditioner. So that worked really dandy. Just put those in here, along with my razor blade, which is not super environmentally friendly. It's plastic, and I have to dispose of the blade every once in a while, but yeah, it was a good solution for that. I also carried my face wipes, which are washable and reusable, obviously. You can give me a hard time for these. I've had them since I moved here. Took them from Canada, and I use one of those probably 3 or 4 times before I chuck it out, which you can call gross, but meh. I also save my soap from hotels. I use a loofah sponge instead of a plastic sponge. This was something that my colleague made for me. It's underarm deodorant. She made it with some coconut oil, baking soda, I forget what else. I should really try to mix some essential oil with it to see if it helps it make it stronger, but I find that it just doesn't, it works on my left arm, but not my right arm, weirdly enough. Yeah, so, and then I guess I just use this. This is soap. I won't buy it in a plastic container anymore. I try to buy it without any plastic on it at all, but that's really tricky. This is just an old lid. It's getting kind of scuzzy, but I can change that up and use it again, so. Oh, and the last thing is that I'm definitely a person who, if it's yellow, I let it mellow in the toilet because it's just me that lives here. I understand that your bathroom would look a lot different if you weren't just living by yourself, but I hope that my tips can help you.